Using a pick or a flathead screwdriver, you can go ahead and pop out that lock, pinch the connector, and separate this. Using a 10mm socket, you're going to go ahead and remove this bolt here, and do the same for the other side. And grab the fan. Just give that a tug. Pull this up and out of the way. Using a 21mm socket, I want to go ahead and get that center bolt. And go ahead and thread that bolt out. Using a 15mm socket, go ahead and loosen the tensioner and slip that belt off. All right, using the appropriate 3-jaw puller, I'm going to go ahead and line this up and get it hooked up on the balancer. You want to reach down from the top, grab the balancer, and go ahead and pull that out. All right, so before we do the installation, I like to put a light coat of engine oil around the perimeter here. It's going to help it slide in around the seal on the front of the crankshaft. You want to watch for the notch, the keyway, and I locate the key on the crankshaft and make sure that that lines up. So I'm going to feed this down, slide that on. You can actually feel that key line up, and press on the balancer as far as you can get it by hand. And then I want to go ahead and start the harmonic balancer bolt. And I'll thread that down as far as I can get it. All right, we're gonna go ahead and start tightening up that bolt on the harmonic balancer. And as you tighten this, it's going to pull the balancer onto the crankshaft. All right, and we wanna go ahead and torque this down to 130 foot-pounds. I'm using a pry bar through the face of the harmonic balancer to hold it, keep that motor from rotating over. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and lower this fan down. Now these tabs will actually slip into tabs on the radiator itself. Lower that right down into it. All right, now that that's in, we can go ahead and put our bolts in on the upper part of the fan. I'm going to go ahead and install that 10mm bolt. Go ahead and get that started, and repeat for the other side. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and take the connector, line that up, press it into place. All right, once that's pressed on and clicked into place, go ahead and press that red lock tab in. All right, now go ahead and open up that tensioner, get that belt lined up, make sure that the belt is on all of the pulleys and all the ribs in their correct location, and then slowly release.